My dear students, listen to me what I say. Hope that all of you are very well. I am also well. Dear students, now I would like to give an advice to all of you. That is, do some physical exercise for keeping yourself fit. Dear students, now I would like to introduce myself in front of all of you. Here present, Muhammad Rabiul Islam, Assistant Teacher, English, Pioneer Girls High School, Khulna. Dear students, let's start our today's class. Welcome to my multimedia class. This class is prepared and presented by Muhammad Rabiul Islam, Assistant Teacher, English, Pioneer Girls High School, Khulna. This is my identity. Now, dear students, I would like to take an English class, especially for the students of class 6. Then, dear students, I would like to show some pictures, and all of you keep concentration on my picture. After showing picture, I would like to ask some questions to all of you. First one, second one, and third one. Dear students, my question is, what is the name of the first picture's person? Do you know? Oh yes, you are right. This person's name is Lalon Shah. Then, oh, Hasun Raja. Third one, Shah Abdul Karim. Thank you, dear students. Now, dear students, can you guess which lessons we are going to read today from this picture? Now, I will give 1 minute for thinking. So think more deeply. Okay, dear students, today we will discuss about, oh fine, your answer is correct. Today we will discuss about Hasun Raja, the mystic bird of Bangladesh. Thank you for your nice answer. This is the learning outcomes of this day. And I firmly believe that if you are attentive in my class, you must be able to complete these things. Okay. Dear students, now you close your book and listen me attentively. Okay? Okay, dear students. Now you will try to discuss your partner about these questions about Hasun Raja. The first question is, when was Hasun Raja born? Where did he come from? What was his childhood life? Why did Hasun Raja live the life of comfort and pleasure? What was the other name by which Hasun Raja was known? All of these are very famous and very well-known questions to all of you. So you will discuss with your partner about these questions. Oh, dear students, thank you. Thank you for your nice discussion with your partner. Now, I would like to collect the answer. When was Hasun Raja born? Oh, fine. Your answer is correct. Thank you. Thank you for your nice and excellent answer. Then, where did he come from? Fine. Your response is very good and it is very hopeful for me. Thank you. Then, what was his childhood life? Oh, thank you. Thank you for your nice answer. Here, I will add another point. His childhood life was full of luxury. His childhood life was full of pleasure because he was the son of a landlord. Thank you, dear students. Then, why did Hasan Raja live the life of comfort and pleasure? Fine, your answer is very hopeful. Thank you. But I would like to add another point in here. Hasan Raja left the life of comfort and pleasure because oh fine, Hasan Raja left the life of comfort and pleasure because he had a spiritual affection. He had an spiritual affection. For this reason, he left his worldly comfort, worldly pleasure. Last one. What was other name by which Hasan Raja was known? Thank you. But thank you for your nice answer. But I will try to add another point. The other name by which Hasan Raja was known, it is called Crazy Hasan Raja. In Bengali, it is Pagla Hasan Raja. Please write down this point. Thank you, dear students, for your nice response in here. Then, Hasan Raja at a glance. Some important and key point about Hasan Raja. Birth, 21st December 1854. His nationality, British Indian. His profession, poet and folk artist. And at last, he was died 6th December 1922. It is very key point. It is very important information about Hasan Raja, which is very helpful for you. I hope that all of you will write down this important information about Hasan Raja. Thank you. Next, dear students, look at the picture. Lalan Shah, Hasan Raja, and Shah Abdul Karim. Read the passage. Now you will try to read the passage silently. Oh dear students, thank you. Thank you for your nice reading. Have any problem when you read this passage? If you feel any problem, you will ask me. I am always ready to give answer. Oh, you have no problem. Thank you. Next slide. The identity of Hasan Raja. Hasan Raja was born in 1854 in a wealthy landlord's family in Sylhet. Then, his previous lifestyle. Do you know Hasan Raja's previous lifestyle? Oh, fine. Your answer is correct, but some information about his previous lifestyle is given below. Now, you will try to read out this information. In his youth, he led a life of luxury. He did not lack anything. money, comfort, or pleasure. But then a time came when he started to find all this comfort and joy meaningless. This is the style of his previous life. Thank you. Writer Hasun Raja. Hasun Raja wrote a lot of songs, perhaps about 2,500 in number. Perhaps it is 2,500 in number. Very important information about Hasun Raja, I think. Thought of Hasun Raja. Hasun Raja gave away his landed property, his money and wealth, and started to think deeply about the Creator, about life and death of mankind. It was his thought. Then, writer Hasun Raja. Hasun Raja wrote some books, among them Hasan Udas and Hasan Raja Samudra. Hasan Udas and Hasan Raja Samudra is most mentionable books, which is very famous. Then, dear students, now we'll try to learn some new words which increases your stock of words. So be careful. My first word is beyond. Dear students, from this picture, can you guess what is the meaning of this word beyond? Oh, thank you. Thank you, dear students. Your answer is correct. But the meaning is further on or far away. Further on or far away. Dear students, now you will try to make a sentence by the word beyond. Oh, fine. It is a very correct sentence. But I will add another sentence by using this word beyond. Now you would like to read out my sentence. It is Hasun Raja's song spread all over Bangladesh and beyond. Thank you. Next word, eminent. Do you know? From this picture, can you guess what is the meaning of eminent? Fine. Very good answer. But it is very famous. It is very well known. Thank you. Eminent means famous. Now, dear students, you would like to make a sentence by using the word eminent. Oh, thank you. Your sentence is correct. But I will add another sentence which is very helpful. Now you will read my sentence. It is Farida Yasmin is an eminent singer of Bangladesh. Is an eminent singer of Bangladesh. Really, he is very eminent or famous figure in Bangladesh. Then, pleasure. Dear students, at first, I would show a picture. Now, you will try to guess the meaning of pleasure from this picture. Oh, you don't know. Okay, dear students, follow me. Pleasure means enjoyment, delight. Enjoyment, delight. Now, you would like to make a sentence by using the word pleasure. Thank you. Your sentence is also correct, but my sentence is they are very pleasure. They are very pleasure. Thank you. Next word, volume. Volume. Dear students, at first I show a picture. From this picture, you will try to guess the meaning of the word volume. If you think deeply, I think it is very easy to guess the meaning of the word volume. Fine. Thank you. Your answer is correct. It is very easy meaning. Right. Volume means book. Volume means book. Dear students, try to make a sentence by using the word volume. Thank you. But I would like to give another sentence in here. That is Hasun Raja's volume called Hasun Raja Samudra. Hasun Raja's volume called Hasun Raja Samudra. Then comfort. Dear students, from this picture, can you guess what is the meaning of the word comfort? Fine. The state of having a pleasant life. The state of having a pleasant life. Thank you. Your answer is correct. And it is same to mine. Now, you will try to make a sentence by using the word comfort. Oh, thank you. My sentence is, the baby is living a comfortable life. The baby is living a very comfortable life. Then, luxury. Dear students, can you guess what is the meaning of the word luxury? At first, I would like to give a clue to guess the meaning of the word luxury. You will try to guess the meaning of the word luxury? Fine, thank you. Your answer is same to me. It is the enjoyment of expensive things. It is the enjoyment of expensive things. Write down the meaning all of the words. Dear students, can you make a sentence by using the word luxury? Oh yes, your sentence is correct. But here I would like to add another sentence, which is very helpful, I think. You have to read out my sentence. That is, the car is a luxurious vehicle. The car is a luxurious vehicle. Thank you, dear students. Now, all of you will try to complete the gaps. It is your individual task. For completing this gap, I would like to give 2 minutes. In this time, in this very short time, you will try to complete the gap. Okay, now dear students, have you finished your writing? Oh yes, you have finished. Thank you. Now you match your answer with my answer. The right answer is pleasure. Pleasure means enjoyment or happy. Then volume. Volume means a large book. Then crazy. Excited about something. Comfort. The state of having a pleasant life. Last one. Luxury. The enjoyment of expensive things. Thank you. Very nice performance you had shown in here. Thank you. Dear students, think and discuss with your partner what is called a bird. First one, a bird. Oh, fine. A bird who writes poems and songs. A bird who writes poems and songs like Shah Abdul Karim, like Hasan Raja, etc. etc. Then a mystic. Now you will discuss with your partner. What is the meaning of the word mystic? Think more and discuss with your partner. What is the meaning of the word mystic? You can't do this. Oh, fine. But it is a very easy meaning. Dear friends, follow me. Mystic, who tries to search the truth and become united with God through prayer and meditation. Who tries to search the truth and become united with God through prayer and meditation. That is called mystic. I earnestly request to all of you, write down these meanings. It is very useful in here. Thank you. Next. Dear students, here is the English translation of the first 3 lines of well-known and popular song of Hasan Raja. Can you say what is the lines are in Bangla? The English translated form. People say my house is no good, but what home can I build in the midst of emptiness? Can you say what the lines are in Bangla? Oh, fine. Thank you. It is a very popular song in Bengali literature. In Bengali, the meaning is Loke bole bole re ghar bari bhala na amar. Ki ghar banaimu ami chunnero majhare. Very popular song of Hasan Raja and very popular in Bengali literature. It increases the beauty of Bengali literature. Thank you. Dear students, now I would like to give a homework to all of you. Now you will take your exercise paper and pen. Dear students, the homework is write a short paragraph about another mystic bird of Bangladesh, Shah Abdul Karim. A short paragraph about another mystic bird of Bangladesh, Shah Abdul Karim. Write down your homework. I will check it when we will meet. Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone for participating in my class, for cooperating me. Thank you so much.